manifested my own Imli in my own city.
Imli, the chaat gali by Curly Tails. You like it?
I love it.
You're having a food gasm?
Wait, let me take a picture. Don't touch it.
She just can't stop eating the chatpata singara.
It is so good. I'm sorry, I don't know what the hype is about when it comes to Rameshwaram. Once I've gone to Rameshwaram and I was like, this is a scam. I started working when I was 17. I used to give pamphlets. Find me a rich man so I don't have to worry about content. The rich man.
What's one
Where
thing-
do I see myself in next 5 years? That's where I see myself.
Oh wow, you're so smart, Rita. So smart.
I'm so
It's
sorry.
okay,
Never
but
mind.
it's okay. I'll remember the shoot because of this. What is the weirdest combo that you tried? Like I said, Maggie and ice cream.
Ice cream, no way.
Oh,
I also like-
dosa
please
and ice cream.
Don't you dare do a thing to dosa.
Solo travel thing. How did you start?
If you can survive India, you can survive anywhere.
Namma Bengaluru. I'm here in Indiranagar, the buzzing heart of the city, known for its vibe and incredible food scenes. But today, it's extra special because Curly Tail's first ever restaurant, Imli the Chaat Gali, is here in Indiranagar, Namma Uru. While Bangalore will always cherish its idli, dosa and filter coffee, we are sprinkling some magic to it. From Vrindavan's lassi to Indore's chatpata singara to Kolkata's puchka, we have it all. And on this episode of Tere Gali Mein, we will be exploring the streets of Indiranagar. But I am not alone. Joining me is a small town girl turned a digital sensation who is celebrated for her content on self-love, solo travel and women empowerment. None other than Rida Tarana. Let's go. Hello!
I love how the girls meet. So I remember meeting one of my girlfriends and she's like, Rida. I'm like, oh yeah, we're supposed to scream. You're like, I mean,
My God.
I love being a woman for a lot of reasons, but one of this is also this.
I'm sure guys can't never meet this way. It's more like, hey
Hi,
man,
bro,
how are you? How are you, bro?
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
man, yeah.
Lot of traffic.
Yeah, man, let's go. So how, I just love Bangalore. What's your opinion about Bangalore?
Baby, this is the city that has given and built everything that I am today, so I give all the credits to it. And I will not be listening a word that's negative about the city. Bangalore weather is never disappointing, but I really feel like global warming is slowly hitting up.
Yeah,
and we're slowly coming in there, but no, it's beautiful. I love the weather. I love that you can wear whatever you want. I love the people. I love everything in general.
I know you're all positive about Bangalore. So you have to tell me one negative thing about Bangalore.
See, I think we all know it, and it has to be the traffic. See, I feel the city was not equipped for this. The city never expected so many people coming in or anything. So I understand about that. But what I also feel like with the traffic, we're figuring it out now.
Yeah.
You know, you're breaking up with your exes on the cab and in the auto. You're finishing off your edits or whatever in the auto. You're finishing off your meetings. You're sleeping and taking a nap. So I feel like traffic also kind of gives you a little break from everything that's coming. And then if you're angry, I don't suggest you be stuck in it, but yeah, I like it. Traffic is the only cons I feel.
Tell me some of the famous spots of Bangalore that you just love.
I am obsessed with dosa. It's not dosa, it's do, like number do, dosa. And you also call it dosai, dosha, dose, and in a lot of ways. In Karnataka, it's dose, but yeah, I like dosa. And idlis, but idlis I'm not a fan of big ones, so I like mini idlis. So I've been trying to find out this one place that also does like good chutneys, okay? And the filter coffee. I'm sorry, I don't know what the hype is about when it comes to Rameshwaram. You want to have authentic food, authentic dosas and beautiful idlis, you go to the filter coffee and their coffees are amazing. I think I've been here for 9 years and there's only once I've gone to Rameshwaram and I was like, this is a scam. No, nothing against it, but yeah, so if I have to like think
It's just a
about
personal
it's a
favorite.
personal favorite.
Yeah.
So I go swimming in the morning and the next thing I do is I head to the filter coffee. I have my beautiful dosa, I have like, or idli, it depends on my mood. And then I come back, I go to the gym, I hit the gym or something. And for lunch, I'm a typical South Indian. I love my meals. I love it on my banana leaf and everything. So I either go to Nagarjuna. There's another beautiful place called Maravante if you're a lover for coastal cuisine. I love
Yes.
fish and prawns and everything. And recently I discovered that Filter Coffee also has like very authentic meals as well. Very different. So for meals, which I thoroughly enjoy, I'm a rice girl. I can eat rice 3 times
I
a day.
agree.
I love rice.
I'm a Bengali.
Oh,
Rice.
aloo, oh my god, I am obsessed with potatoes and fish and all of those things. So these are my 3 go-to spot when it comes to lunch. I do like cuisines. I mean, I'm not a fan of pizzas and burgers, so I tend to stay away. But if you have to go, I really like the Pizza Bakery. And when it comes to sushis, I love the Lucky Chan. I love Yuki. We've recently opened an amazing, stunning place. These are some of my places I'll
I
explore
can see the
more.
love for food on
I'm
your face.
obsessed. So the minute I come back from any international trip, you'll actually see me in a sari, you'll see me in a gajra, and then you'll see me sitting at one meal space. I don't want spoons, I don't want anything. I want my food
Banana
on my
leaf.
banana leaf, and I'm just like. People keep coming to Filter Coffee hoping to spot me. Filter Coffee, Lavon, or Paper and Pie. Paper and Pie is also where I work at, so that's the thing. But I think what screams Indiranagar is Toit, Bob's Bar.
Absolutely.
Obviously, absolutely. And one more, Glenn's. Glenn's also is a place that people thoroughly, like if you're thinking about Indiranagar, you're definitely thinking about these places. But where you can spot me is, I've just mentioned, that's where you'll find me.
Okay, so from today onwards,
No!
there's going to be one more place added to the list because we at Curly Tales have launched our restaurant, Imli, the Chaat Gali in Bengaluru.
Wait, I actually went, I was in Mumbai and Apurva took me there and she was like, oh, by the way, do you know Curly Taste? I was like, yeah, who does not? But anyway, so she took me to this place and she's like, this is Imli, this is something that they have started. And we were quite impressed because we walked in, the place was just so cozy and so nice. But we also had so much to eat before that we could not even try. So I was like, but I did not know.
So today is the day.
I manifested my own Imli in my own city. Let's head.
Absolutely, let's go. भैया इमली जाना है 1 किलोमीटर जितना ही है कितना पड़ जाएगा 50 यहाँ से पास में है
50, you're getting it in Bangalore, that's a big deal. Which, by the way, I think he was charmed by both of us.
Yes, pretty.
It's usually 200.
That's true.
I'm going to be honest. I think my preferred way of transport any day will be an auto.
Same here. Because I like it's so open, right?
It's open, you can jump whenever you want to.
You are actually from Bangalore?
No, I'm from Coorg. I'm a Coorgli. So yeah, I'm born, raised, everything in Coorg. My family still lives in Coorg. My schooling is from Coorg. Abhi to 11th and 12th, I think school mein hi aa gaya hai, but that time it was called first PU and second PU.
Correct.
Yeah, so I did my first PU and second PU in Coorg as well. And not everybody, especially in my family, would go out to study. It was just the boys who were allowed to do that. So I was like, I want to do this, and they were like, no, bro, get engaged. In 2 years you study here, we'll get you married in another 2 years sort of thing, and which happened very commonly though. So it was not a shocker for us that that's what they wanted from us. This is something that happened with everybody. And I was like, let me take a loan, I'll not take money from you and everything. So I somehow convinced them, I took a loan, I came here and I started studying. So yeah, I started working when I was 16-ish, 17-ish.
So what was the first?
I used to give pamphlets. So it's to stand outside and like give pamphlets.
That's during your college days?
Yes.
My goodness. Like when you were doing these, you started during your college,
Yes.
right? So what was the first amount that you received?
500 was my first amount. Not 500, 800 actually.
Okay.
So it was 1000. The person who gave me took 200 as a commission and he would give me 800. I was like, bhai, do so. It was a big deal for me
It
at that
was,
time, okay? Because the mess fee was 1000. So if he'd given me that 1000, I would have figured out my mess fee, and he was just like, I could not afford Ola Uber at that time. So I would take a bus from the mall because it's usually where mall events. So I would take a bus from the mall and then reach to a metro station, then take a metro, then come to the college. And from college I used to walk in the night till the college and go.
My goodness.
This is the story I'm going to tell my kids. You got it easy.
That's-
You know how hard it was for me?
Yeah. So we are here. We are at Imli. We'll continue our conversation there. Imli, the chaat gali by Curly Tails.
It was so cute. Oh, in Mumbai also they had exactly the same. They had one chaat outside.
Yes, yes.
And I was like, oh, that's convenient.
Huh.
You just go take golgappas.
Yeah,
eat,
and I
then
think
go.
so many times we'll end up just having
It here,
eat
there
here.
only. Yeah. Oh my god, this is
How
so
do you like it?
cute. Please, that's so cute. Wait, this is Delhi,
That's,
Kolkata.
yes. Then there's
That's
here.
Banaras. Thank God they've written it there.
Yes,
Mumbai,
yes.
Jodhpur. They've not written
And that's
names here, though.
Amritsar.
Oh yeah, that's Amritsar. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, so you have there's an Imli boat there with Mumbai. because-
That's where they started first, no?
Yeah, in Mumbai it started first.
Congratulations, guys. That's amazing.
So what do you want to eat? What do you want to start with?
Okay.
They have a menu, Lena. You can see through the options that
Okay.
we have so that you get
I
more.
get to choose it.
Yes, there are dishes from all over the place.
Oh my god, what is Brindavan ki lassi?
Lassi. You want to try that?
Yeah, I would love to. This sounds so nice.
Yeah, so we'll go for that. Then there is Indore's Chatpata Singara.
Golgappe. This the name itself is making my mouth water. It's so
I know,
different.
right?
Delhi ke Golgappe.
Yes. So we have Golgappa, Delhi's Golgappa. We have
Oh, everything is different.
We have Mumbai's and we have Kolkata's.
Can we do like tasting
All three,
of
of course. We'll do it outside.
ठीक है. And
So
then
यहाँ पे there are charts if you want to go through any. So there's Dahi Papri chaat, Delhi ke. You want to go for
Rani
this?
Kachori chaat. What is this?
You want to try?
Yeah, it sounds
Done.
Rani Kachori.
So for now, we'll order one Vrindavan ki lassi,
Okay.
one
Dahi puri.
Dahi Papri chaat from
Okay.
Delhi, and then we'll just keep ordering on the table.
Yeah, done. Wait, let me take a picture. Don't touch it.
Okay. Okay.
You know, every time I'm with somebody, and there are times I want to click a picture, and there are times where I don't want to.
Uh-huh.
And then when they're like, "Are you done? Can we eat?" I mean, yeah.
Can we eat?
Yes, please.
So this is the Chatpata Singara.
We should try this.
You like it?
I love it. It screams healthy.
I told you, right, that this is tasty. Very crispy.
I love singharas, but I didn't know you could do something like this. There are little snacks, you know, where you're
Yeah.
working or you're gossiping and you just want to eat something. Oh my god.
You want to try this also? You're going to have a new favorite in Indranagar. You're having a food gasm?
Sometimes it sounds inappropriate, so I should stop doing that. Oh my god, this is so good.
That's absolutely fine. I mean, like when we enjoy food, it's natural. This also you have to try. This is the Vrindavan ki lassi. She just can't stop eating the Chatpata
It
Singara.
is so good. Wait, it is that water chestnut, right? Like those,
Yeah.
right.
How is this?
I love this. This looks so good. अगर हम यही पे सब खा रहे
All
हैं तो फिर
buttery, buttery. Can you see?
दूसरा कब खाएंगे?
आज तो जगह बनाना पड़ेगा पेट में. You're with curly tails. Yeah.
Do you like lime in your?
I love lime. I love khatta. Did the content creation with start? Like from a small town girl to a digital sensation today. Like how did this happen?
So when I started off talking about things that I was going through, you know, like how brown parents force you to get married and how there's so much more difference for women and men and how that this. So I started talking. To my surprise, a lot of people started relating to it. Like, dude, I feel the same. You know, we're in this generation and we want to come to a place, we want to come to this. Now we have fancier way of exploiting women in whatever ways it is. So I started complaining and ranting and things of that sort. And people just picked it up. They're like, oh, I'm going through the same. So my whole aim was to create a safe space for women and talk for women. And that was my goal. I was like, I just want to make content for women where they feel comfortable in their skin color, the way they look, what they want to wear, how they feel about themselves, what they want to do with their life, where they're able to feel comfortable and things of that sort. So I was at 3,000, then overnight I hit like 20K, and then it was just growing in numbers. I didn't know what happened. I was getting major anxiety with all the notifications that was popping up. So I had to shut down my notifications from all the apps because WhatsApp also had people texting me that I saw that video, I saw this video. Even at office they kept saying this. So I shut down all the notifications, and 4 years of content creation, my notifications are still not on any apps. So I love doing trends too, you know. Yeah, I know all the trends. I'm obsessed with trends. Like, if I'm that cringe creator, I don't mind being cringe. I love trends. But I'm also somebody who does batch creation, which is basically when I write ideas down and when I have the mood to make content, I sit and make a lot of content at the same go. Then I edit and keep it. So I'm not a person who wakes up every single day and I record any content. And then if there's a trend happening, I reuse my footages a lot. I figure out what to do. I'm a storyteller, so I can write, if I have footages, I can write story around it and I can build content pieces. So I've never ran out of content as yet. God forbid, thank you. If at all, please find me a rich man so I don't have to worry about content. But keeping that aside, as I said, so I do. So it's been 4 years and I think there might be just 3 days that I've not posted anything. There's always a reel or a picture or something that
Every
keeps-
day.
Yeah.
We'll try some fuchkas now?
Yes, please.
Yes, let's go. Oh, you have to tell your favorite.
My favorite has to be obviously
only.
Singhares. I also love rasmalai.
Okay, but the best is this.
Always.
We'll try some pani
Fuchkas.
puri.
What do you call
Fuchkas. In Bengali, we call fuchka.
Foo. It's not foo.
No, it's fuchka.
Okay. We call it pani puri. I like how you wait for me first. Very gentleman-like.
Thank you
Not
so
been
much.
on a date like this before.
You should date me then.
Baby, I trust me. With every passing day, I'm like, God, make me a lesbian.
So here they serve, like I said, Delhi style, Kolkata style and Mumbai style.
Okay.
You want to go for all three?
Yes, एक लेकिन.
हाँ, एक एक तीनों का. We'll do a game.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do a game. So it's more like never have I ever. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, if you have done that, you will put the pani puri in your mouth.
Okay.
If you have not done that, you will not put the pani puri.
Okay.
Tried puchka in Bangalore.
Obviously.
Have done street shopping in commercial street.
Yeah.
course.
You've come up with never have I ever questions where I have done everything. So I have to eat now.
Visited Cubbon Park for a relaxing walk.
Walk, I do picnics, read books, everything there. It's my favorite spot.
Done. Okay. Enjoyed a picnic at Sankey Tank.
No.
Selfie at Bangalore Palace.
No.
They've gone to Nandi Hills for a view.
Obviously.
Taken a boat ride at Ulsur Lake.
No. I'm scared of that. No.
Okay.
I'm really scared of that. Like,
But why?
what if it does fall, then I fall in the polluted water?
You know swimming?
I do, but then I don't want to swim in the polluted water. Just the fact that it's polluted will make me, I will drown. I just recently started swimming, by the way. I didn't know how to swim before, but no. The water needs to be.
Yeah, that is a little.
It keeps eating me for some reason. So because see, I did biotechnology and genetics, right? So I have this thing. I don't like people touching my face because I'm like, your bacteria hands, keep it there. So when I see something, I'm like, no, it's bacteria. Let's stay away.
Okay, the next one. Gone for food hopping in Kormangla.
No, I've done it in Fraser Town. So
Okay. Went to Botanical Garden.
yeah. I like things like that.
How sweet.
I mean, it makes no sense, but I like it. Very aesthetic.
Okay. Did you go to Banerghatta Zoo? Visited Banerghatta Zoo.
Oh no, Bannerghatta has a zoo. I've done Mysore Zoo, but not Bannerghatta.
One last one. Clicked a selfie in front of Vidhan Sauda. Like normally touristy people do that in front of Vidhan Sauda.
No, I've not even been to Vidhan Sauda. I have been to Vidhan Sauda to click pictures for a shoot, but I've not taken a selfie.
Okay. Done. So that is it. So where are we going next?
Let me take you to my next spot with our favorite auto at
Yes.
this point.
I can't wait. You have spoken so much about it.
So the minute you walk in, I like the space. It's open. You get to see people cooking food there.
Okay.
Everybody is very nice. They smile at you. They're very kind. They'll figure things out for you. They'll make you have a seat, and you've seen people cook food and everything. You know, the papad, masala, everything is there. We'll see if we can get the second table.
Yeah.
My table is the first one.
Okay.
I try to get that table if I can. Like that's my table. But now that we don't have one,
Yes.
we will take this.
We'll take this one.
So I have this thing. The minute I find myself at a place where I'm slightly comfortable, it can be a chair, it can be a stool or anything, I have to fold my legs. And Filter Coffee is the place where it's like very comfortable because you have long chairs. You can just fold your legs comfortable and you just wait
You
for your
feel
food.
like you're at home.
Yes. I'll make sure everywhere I go I feel like at home. Or else I'll be very uncomfortable. today's special is this.
Oh, ये क्या है?
Beans, carrot, coconut mix.
Puriyal. So beans, carrot and coconut. That's your cabbage. Ah, it's so pretty.
हाँ, it's looking so nice.
Okay, so you're gonna try the roti with this and this sabzi. But you can also mix a little of green chutney too if you want to. But we can first start with one chutney, one sabzi.
So with this,
Yeah.
and
No, just try eat that pen.
just eat this.
Yeah.
Okay. You're so light, like you know, so such a like a homely feeling.
Now try the puriyal.
It's very fresh.
Do you like coconuts though? Because a lot of people don't like coconuts.
No, I like coconut. What has been your biggest struggle while you were trying to create content? So what was your biggest problem you were facing?
See, I'm a people pleaser big time. I was. That's what I thought, that everybody on the internet loves me too. So when I started seeing negative comments, when I started seeing people hating me, when I started seeing that they don't like, not everybody likes me, it started affecting me. I was like, oh my god, what am I doing wrong? What about this is not nice? What about it is, am I fucking it up? So that took a toll on me a lot. I was in therapy. I didn't know what to deal with it. I used to respond to all the comments, just to constantly be like, I'm a nice person, you know, why are you being like this to me or whatever. So that was a struggle because nobody prepares you for the fame, but nobody prepares you also for the love and the hate that comes your way. So it's easy to say concentrate on the love because yeah, it's there, but then you can't, until and unless you're completely secure about yourself, it's very hard to let go of the hate.
Tell me, Bangalore versus Coorg, which is better? Like in terms of people, in terms of food, you have to give me a, you know, Bangalore versus Coorg, which is better?
Okay. Both of them have their own vibes, so I cannot compare. People in Coorg have always looked up. It's a basic instinct you have. If you're born and raised in a city, let's say Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, you like Coorg because it's homely, it's away from the city, there's no traffic, there's no that pure air or whatever. But people who are born in Coorg, who've seen the farm life, who've seen the fields, who've seen all of these things, they love the city life. They love, oh, I want to eat KFC and I want to eat that. This, like my whole life, I wanted the whole thing. But now I'm able to balance it out. You know, I'm able to balance the city life and my village life too. I love them equally. So, if you're looking for a time where you just want to keep going, see what's next, parties, good food, going around, everything at your convenience, order the food is here, Blinkit, everything is here, Bangalore's the place for you. But if you're somebody who wants to settle down, grow my own vegetables, have a little farm of my own, have turkeys chasing you, then you go to Coorg.
So if any of our audience, you know, is traveling to Coorg, tell me top 3 places that they must visit and top 3 food that they should try.
I am a non-vegetarian, but I don't eat pork. But one of the most famous things in Coorg we are known for is pandi curry, that's pork curry, and otti. Otti is roti, which is chawal ki roti. So we make roti out of chawal. That's one of the most famous dish that you find in Coorg. So otti and pandi curry. If you find any little Kerala places, which is also now I feel like Coorg has become a lot of that place, then you get these bamboo shoots, which is very seasonal. So I'm not really sure when you get, but bamboo shoots and roti again. You also have nool put. Nool put is nothing but those noodle kind of thingy, which is yeah. So you have nool put and pandi curry again, or you can do nool put and chicken, nool put and fish. You can decide what you want to, but these 3. Coming to places, when you Google, think about Coorg, you think about Madikeri. Madikeri is the only Google place that they keep pushing. I keep telling my friends, don't go to Coorg until I am there. Because I come from, there are 3 taluks, Madikeri, Somarpet and Virajpet. So I come from Virajpet. Then you have this town called Gonikoppa, and then you have my village, Shererupore. So we have a little scooty to go everywhere because you can't go anywhere else. It's not walkable at all. So for me, it's basically like when I get my friends, I take them in my scooty, I take them around, I have a coffee estate, a little paddy field, so you're able to get in touch with the nature much more. We have an elephant camp in Mysore Bangalore Road in Gonikoppa itself. Then we also have forest right beneath our village, so you can just go to the forest right there. Then we have Irpu Falls in Ponnampet, which is also quite popular. And then you have all these Dubare, which is, now it's not that fun, but during our childhood it was stunning and it was amazing. Then you have Tibet camp, where we have the refugees that we had taken from Tibet. They have their own things done. But Coorg in general is really nice. So if you're able to rent a scooty or a car and just go around to explore places yourself, go and see little villages and all, I think you're sorted.
Wow, man. So what are the three, if you have to put it down, top 3 places in Coorg?
I would recommend Irku Falls. I would recommend Mandalpatti, which is in Madikeri. I'd also recommend Tibet. That's your Kushal Nagar's Golden Temple.
Okay, and top 3 dishes?
Noolput, pandi curry or chicken curry or fish curry, or tea or roti and pandi curry or chicken curry or beef curry or fish curry or whatever you want to do. And then you have, this is not a Coorg dish exactly, but we have something called pattal. Pattal in fish. It's my favorite dish though, but if you can find that, you're sorted.
We'll do a quick game, okay? So I'll tell you some of the influencers and content creators' name. You'll have to tell me the first word that comes to your mind. Yeah?
I don't know a lot of creators though, just letting you know.
But that's okay. That's okay. Whatever comes to your mind. Or you can just say Usha Kapila,
Gorgeous.
Carrie Minati,
Funny.
Bhuvan Mam,
Love of my life.
Ashish Chanchlani,
Cute.
Prajakta Kohli,
Stunning.
Komal Pandey,
Iconic.
Dolly Singh.
Love. She's so sweet, she is. Sweetest.
Okay, Viraj.
I don't know that person.
Viraj Gilani.
Nice. You do the nice as a
okay.
compliment when you do.
Ankush.
Sweet guy. Ankush is stylish.
Apurva.
My Jaan, my world, my universe. And if she does not find a man, I will be marrying her.
Oh, that's so sweet. Now the last one. Curly tails.
I like it because I'll tell you one thing. You know, I feel like it represents me. The hair, the roots, everything. It's just so homely. So I'll say home.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. That was easy. I really thought I would not know a lot of them.
Love the food. I mean, like, it was so fresh, so homely. I loved it.
I love the carrot fries.
Yeah, man. This feels so traditional.
My next favorite coffee shop in Indiranagar, and I'm absolutely in love with, is the new eatery that has opened, which is Kopitiam La. And La is basically like Malaysians end up with everything. We say okay, right? So it's like, what is it, La? No La.
Okay, no da.
No
sort of.
La. Yes, no La. Cheers!
It's nice.
I'm gonna try this. Wait,
Yeah.
now it'll be mixed though. You have to pani pilo thoda sa.
You smell it first. This is sugar, I
It
think.
smells vanilla-ish.
Yeah.
Go for it. Little try.
I'll put. It's
No,
like
no,
we are.
mine is sweet, baby.
It's like we are putting some daru in the drink and then having.
yours is not sweet.
Yeah,
I like
anyways
sugar on the
don't like-
sides.
Don't
I'm
like
on
much
diet.
Sugar. Hey, I'm not a. Wow, you're so smart, Rita. So smart.
I'm so
It's
sorry.
okay, it's
I was
okay,
just
bro,
thinking,
it's
how did I not mess it up this time? I am messy. So
Oh,
the fact
that's
that
okay.
until this we've not done anything wrong is a big deal.
That's okay. That's okay.
अब
We'll
तक तो सांभर
remember.
वगैरह सब गिर जाना चाहिए था. चाट वगैरह तो गिर
Hi,
जाना
hi.
चाहिए था.
हमारे पे नहीं, तुम्हारे पे.
मेरे पे तो at least it's fine. Like it will
Yeah,
blend.
because this is why.
Yeah, I would never.
But
go
it's okay.
once.
I'll remember the shoot because of this. Cheers.
I like.
It's a shagul.
She said she'll remember the shoot because of this. Not me. Not my aura. Not my beautiful face. Not my confidence.
You're there now,
But my messiness.
But along with all of this,
But
plus the messiness.
It reminds me of one of my exes.
Hey!
Gaslighting Pro Max.
Cheers, man. Yeah.
Okay, carrot milk is also something that people like and don't like. So I don't know if you like it though. Let's see.
Did you try, like, are you that kind, like, who tries Maggie with
yeah,
ice
no, no,
cream? Or
Not
that
all
kind?
that.
No?
I'm only the one who puts carrot in milk, tomato juice, all that.
What is the weirdest combo that you tried?
What is the weirdest combo that I've tried? You have to give me examples. I don't remember.
Like I said, Maggie and ice cream.
Ice cream, no way.
Oh.
I also like,
dosa
please
and ice
don't,
cream?
don't you dare do a thing to dosa. Let dosa be dosa. Let's leave dosa out of the picture, please. Let's stick to whatever Maggie. Every time I see some new reel with dosa and ice cream, dosa and some, my heart can't take it. Like, let's leave dosa as dosa. Some things are meant to be kept the same. Some old songs are meant to be old. If I see somebody trying, I would put them to therapy. Therapy money on me.
No,
I've tried insects in Thailand. Is that weird?
Okay. What is it? I am not. I
Some
don't.
that stupid little worm kind of thingy.
Oh, okay. Insects. Okay. How was it?
Bad.
Bad?
My body could not take it in, so I puked it out.
Oh, okay.
But
okay.
I've tried it.
That is a weird. Okay, so we spoke so much about food and your career, content creation, this, that. So, Rita, what about marriage?
You know, somebody had posted this question saying, Hriday, aren't you too old to get married? And I was like, bro, I'm 26.
My
I'm
God.
just a baby. What marriage? I like a lot of them, but they don't like me. No, I'm kidding. So there's this one guy I really like. But
Oh my God, you're blushing.
But he has a girlfriend.
Hey.
So we are keeping our boundaries and everything. So when the universe decides that to put something in his head and be like, that's not the girl for you, baby, this is the girl for you. And I hope he takes a flight and flies in because he's not an Indian man.
Like, what's that one thing Rida looks for in a man?
One thing, I have a list of things. Why do you think I'm single? If it
Topmost priority.
If it is one thing, I hope he is extremely rich and makes a lot of money. I'm kidding. I like men who are secure about themselves. They're not intimidated, but rather someone who really know what they want and what they have. So when I walk in, they're not threatened by my aura and I'm not threatened by his aura. Somebody that we are able to balance it out, or when he's shining, I can let him shine, and when I am shining, he can let me shine without having to take in all of that. In conclusion, a very kind, generous, loyal, extremely humble, very good looking,
That's too
blue
many
eyes,
pointers. That's too
rich man.
What's one
Where
thing?
do I see myself in next 5 years? That's where I see myself. No, see, I've given all kind of men a chance, okay? Short ones, tall ones, broke ones. Yeah, broke ones, up north, down south, west, east.
Rida, if we count, like, do we have like a...
No, I don't have a lot of them. Some of them I've concluded on. Like,
okay.
one is Army brat, so he's literally everything is covered. So all India, and then and they've all broken my heart. So now I'm like, next, if I'm being broken, I might as well be broken by a rich man.
Okay, so tell me something about friendship now. Like, I see you posting so much about, there's a lot about self-love, and I love those content, but there's a lot about friendship. Like, you go for tour, I'll come to your trips, but before that,
There are so
tell
many.
me.
Please don't, guys. I love you guys. I have so many people. Next solo trip, I'll come with you. How the fuck is it solo then? We love your trips. Yeah, it's the reason it's amazing is because I don't have people to drain my energy. There's so many, but I will take you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Apurva is also another
your friendship,
beautiful
yeah.
friend that I've had. Like, it's been 2 years. I just celebrated 2 years with her. We met last year, and it's been a roller coaster ride. To see her grow to the kind of person she is. It's crazy because you see creators as a content creators you make, but you don't get to see them and live with them, right? And when you meet this girl, she's the most kindest, generous, sweetest human being you'll ever see. She will do anything for people that she loves. She'll go above and beyond. You tell her something and she'll figure things out for you. And when I'm going to Bombay, everything is like ready for me. My favorite things to be do there. I can't sleep without my eye mask. My eye mask is ready out there. My clothes, my towel, everything is done. She'll make sure that she's taking me to the favorite spots, my food, everything. Like, this girl takes care of people that she loves so much. But for me personally, I adore this woman to everything. The most smartest, like every time I speak to her, she always brings up other people and then she's like, I'm in awe with that person and awe with this person. And I was like, I'm in awe with you. The way her mind works, the way she thinks about content, the way she thinks about life, the way she thinks about how she wants to live it, her ambitions, her dreams. It's beyond, I don't have words to explain. Extremely talented and the most gorgeous girl I know.
Okay, so we spoke about friendship and all of these bits. Another bit that I would want to know from you is the travel bit. Like, I have seen your videos, like you keep posting constantly, you're traveling here, you're traveling there, and all over the place. Like, tell me, how did this entire solo travel thing, how did you start
Come
with
to
this?
it. So my first trip ever international was to Bali, and I took my Elton was with me, so I took my friend with me, and he was only there with me for 2 days. But I was like, I don't want to go to Bali for just 2 days, I want to extend my stay. But I was in my mind, either I go with him for 2 days and then I don't experience this, or I do this solo. So I was forced to do it solo because he had to leave, but I was also like, dude, I want to experience this. So it was kind of like putting myself in a position where I was like, can I survive, can I thrive, can I do this solo? And it was the best 5 days of my life. I'll tell you the key. If you're able to do a solo trip in India, if you're able to survive India, you can do anything. All these other countries are very easy. So I went to Turkey.
But why do you say so? Like, why do you
Because
feel...
India is a very diverse country. We have literally everything that makes it, as a traveler, to make it not that easy, you know. You're figuring out trains, the travel is hard, the weather's very different, people are sometimes moody, sometimes not. It's the same thing, but in a little English sense or something like that. That's it. Like I keep telling, if you can survive India, you can survive anything. And I'm an Indian, so I can survive anywhere. Firstly, I want you to smell it.
Okay. It's very coconutty wala smell. Yeah, I like the smell. It's very different. You have?
No, yeah.
You're just you're just sniffing and sniffing.
My Nasha.
It's so crispy. It's so. The filling is something different, man. It's
For me, this is heaven. I don't know what is inside. I don't know what it is. All I know is this is the best thing that has ever happened. I don't mind being diabetic for this thing.
It was worth all the hype that you did. It's too good. To end the shoot, we'll do a quick game. You ready? First we'll finish. I don't want you to be coughing again.
No, this I'm fine.
Okay, so it's a very simple game.
Okay.
It's just this or that. You just have to choose, okay? Mountains or beaches?
Beaches.
Bangalore morning breakfast or night clubbing scenes?
Bangalore morning breakfast.
Seriously?
Maybe I am not a clubbing person. I actually made a video where it was like 10 on bed, 10:30 a sleep person. If you're after that, don't call me. Brunch is cute, morning is cute. Let's start doing that. Don't call me clubbing, don't call me partying. I don't want to do it.
Okay. Home cooked meals or restaurant food?
Home cooked meals.
Content creation or public speaking?
Oh, that's
Tough one.
That's hard. I enjoy public speaking, but content creation.
Content creation. Okay. Filter coffee or cappuccino?
Filter coffee.
Ah, like such a clear-cut answer. Okay. Saris or
Saris.
casuals?
Saris.
She didn't even listen to what was the other
I
option.
was convincing you to wear sari today. Do you know how pretty we would look with saris and gajras?
Next
I
time
love
for
saris.
sure.
I'm obsessed with saris.
Okay, next one. Road trip or flight journey?
Flight journey. I don't want anything here. Next country.
Okay. Biryani or charts?
Biryani.
Okay. Solo travel or group travel?
Solo travel.
Of course.
I just had to say
I
solo. I
think-
didn't have to say group. Group,
I
I'll
did-
kill myself. No.
Okay. Instagram stories or posts?
Stories.
Stories. Okay. Sweet or tangy?
Sweet.
Okay. And the last one. Adventure sports or relaxing spa?
Oh my god. Okay, that's so hard. We don't.
But you have to choose one. No.
Okay, spa.
Spa.
Sorry, I'm a princess. I would like spa.
So that's it for today. Thank you so much.
Thank
it
you
was
for having
lovely.
me.
It was lovely
I had
having
so
you.
much fun.